Hello, and thank you for choosing Puente Hills Subaru for your service needs. When you arrive for your appointment, simply drive into our service drive, where one of our friendly service advisors will be ready to welcome you. They'll gather the necessary information about your vehicle, answer any questions you may have, and review your service options with you to ensure you have a clear understanding of the process. Once your vehicle has been checked in, you'll receive convenient updates throughout your visit via text message or email.
Welcome.
You'll also receive personalized video inspections from our factory-trained technicians, allowing you to see exactly what they're seeing and stay informed every step of the way.
Hi, welcome to Puente Hills Subaru. This is your engine air filter and it's getting dirty. Recommend replacement in your next service.
Hi, I'm Sarah Palacio, Service Director here at Puente Hills Subaru. Thank you for choosing us for all your service needs. Please make sure to stop by and say hello.